Have you ever pondered why plants stand tall and firm, defying gravity and weathering storms, while we humans need a complex skeletal system to stay upright? The answer lies in a unique feature of plant cells that animal cells lack: the cell wall. To understand the cell wall, imagine a city with its protective walls. Just like these city walls guard the city from outside threats, the cell wall acts as a protective barrier for the plant cell. It's not just a simple wall, but a complex structure made primarily of cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. Think of cellulose as the bricks in the city wall. Cellulose fibers are interwoven with other components like hemicellulose, pectin, and proteins, creating a sturdy matrix. This matrix is not just tough, but also flexible, allowing plant cells to grow and adapt while maintaining their shape. The cell wall wears many hats. Its primary function, of course, is providing structural support to the plant. It's the reason why plants can reach towards the sky without a bone in their body. It enables plants to grow upright, reaching towards the sun for photosynthesis, an essential process for their survival. But the cell wall is not just a passive support system. It plays an active role in the plant's interaction with its environment. It can modify its structure in response to environmental stresses like drought or pests, helping the plant survive under adverse conditions. Moreover, the cell wall acts as a gatekeeper, controlling the movement of substances in and out of the cell. This selective permeability ensures that harmful substances stay out while necessary nutrients get in. Interestingly, the cell wall also plays a crucial role in plant reproduction. During the formation of a new plant cell, the cell wall divides the parent cell into two daughter cells. This process, called cytokinesis, is fundamental to plant growth and development. To sum it up, the cell wall is like the unsung hero of the plant cell. It's a protective fortress, a gatekeeper, an environmental sensor, and a facilitator of growth and reproduction. It's what gives plants their firmness and resilience, enabling them to survive and thrive in various conditions. So, the next time you see a tree standing tall or a flower blooming proudly, remember the humble cell wall. It's the silent, steadfast guardian that makes it all possible. So you've understood the role of the cell wall and how it functions as a protective barrier, a gatekeeper, an environmental sensor, and a facilitator of growth and reproduction. But how does it do all this? To answer that, let's delve into the structure of the cell wall. The cell wall is not a single entity, but a multi-layered structure, each layer with its unique composition and function. The outermost layer, the one in direct contact with the environment, is the primary cell wall. It's relatively thin and flexible, allowing the cell to grow and change shape. The primary cell wall is rich in cellulose, the carbohydrate we compared to bricks in a city wall. Intertwined with the cellulose are other components like hemicellulose, pectin, and proteins, forming a complex network that gives the wall its flexibility and strength. Beneath the primary wall lies the secondary cell wall, a much thicker and stronger layer. The secondary wall is also rich in cellulose, but it contains additional components like lignin, which give it extra strength and rigidity. This is the wall that provides plants their structural support, enabling them to grow tall and withstand environmental stresses. Then, we have the middle lamella, a thin layer rich in pectin that binds adjacent plant cells together. Think of it as the cement between the bricks in a wall, holding the cells together and maintaining the integrity of the plant structure. Together, these layers form a tough yet flexible structure that protects the cell, controls substance movement, responds to environmental signals, and facilitates growth and reproduction. This complex structure of the cell wall is what gives plants their strength and flexibility. It's the secret to their resilience and adaptability to different environments, and it's the reason why they can stand tall and firm, come rain or shine. In the grand scheme of life on Earth, the cell wall is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life. It's a key player in the story of plant evolution and survival, and a fascinating subject for anyone interested in understanding the intricate workings of life at the cellular level. This is the power and importance of the cell wall, a unique feature that sets plant cells apart, ensuring they stand tall and firm, come rain or shine.